Welcome to our channel, Skylar. On what basis humans are different from each other? In this mundane, carbon-based life where every human has almost the same body structure. For a long time, there has been much debate and research in the world about what a soul, ruh, actually is. After extensive research, I have reached a point that will make you think and might completely change your perspective on the human body and human life. On what basis are humans different from each other in this monotonous, carbon-based life, where every human is actually made of soil? God created humans from soil, a soil that is dark and resembles carbon, or perhaps it is carbon itself. But this is true, and many religions have acknowledged that God created the human body from soil. At first, God created the first human, Adam, peace be upon him, from clay. He shaped a handful of clay into Adam's body with his own hands. For 40 days, the body remained lifeless. When God breathed the soul into the clay, it turned into a living person. As the soul spread through the body, flesh and blood began to form wherever the soul reached. The soul is called by different names in different languages, but its name in Latin is quite interesting, anima, which is related to the modern word animation, meaning movement. In Greek, the soul is referred to by the word psyche. To start, let's define the soul. For centuries, scholars, philosophers, and theologians have debated what the soul is and how it influences human existence. In Western philosophy, the nature of the soul has been a significant topic of discussion. Let's explore a few key perspectives. Plato viewed the soul as immortal and pre-existing its physical form. According to him, the soul is the true essence of a person, which survives beyond physical death. In his view, the soul's journey is to gain knowledge and eventually reunite with the realm of forms, a perfect non-material world. And on the other hand, Aristotle, Plato's student, offered a different perspective. In his work De Anima on the soul, Aristotle defined the soul as the first actuality of a living body. He categorized the soul into three types. First, vegetative soul, responsible for growth, reproduction, and nourishment, present in plants. Second is sensitive soul, responsible for sensation and movement, found in animals. Third, rational soul, unique to humans, responsible for reasoning and intellect. Aristotle saw the soul as the form that gives life and purpose to the body. But the issue is, in the modern era, views on the soul have evolved. Dualists like René Descartes argued that the soul is a distinct, immaterial substance separate from the body. Materialists and physicalists, however, often deny the existence of a non-material soul, proposing that mental states are emergent properties of physical processes in the brain. In Hinduism, the soul is known as Atma. It is considered eternal and distinct from the physical body and mind. Now I want to share my point of view based on my own research, which I have observed through all the world's existing research up to now, and reached a certain point. In Western philosophy, some people believe that the soul and the mind are the same. But the truth is that the existence of the soul cannot be denied. It is the soul that underpins the world and life in it. Let me explain. Consider that all humans are essentially the same in terms of body parts and structure. Everyone has a nose, ears, hands, feet, senses of taste, thinking processes, and the ability to drink, eat, and think. The brain is present in every human, So, according to this, the processes in the world should be the same for all humans, making everyone as monotonous as robots or machines in a 3D world. Then why is it that some people are kind while others are boring? Why do some have negative thoughts while others have positive ones? Why do people have different ways of thinking, understanding, and preferences, including religious beliefs? This cannot be explained solely based on the brain. Here I am inspired by Aristotle's philosophical experiment and would like to say that it is the soul that gives each person a unique personality, thinking ability, sense of right and wrong, and emotions. The brain alone cannot provide us with emotions. Consciousness and feelings are the attributes of the soul. The structure of the brain is almost the same for everyone, but wisdom, knowledge, and intellect differentiate people from one another. Wisdom and knowledge come from the soul. Human beings are divided into two parts. One, the body, which is possession of this world, and second, the soul, which is of divine material and connected with the spiritual realm. Together, these two parts form a life on earth. So, there can be no doubt about the existence of the soul. The soul plays a crucial role in shaping our consciousness, moral sense, and emotional depth. While technology can create robots and machines and even animate clay figures, true life and consciousness stem from the soul. The soul imparts wisdom, uniqueness, and emotional complexity. Thank you so much for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the soul. We have covered historical, philosophical, and religious perspectives, as well as personal reflections on the soul's role in our lives. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more content on profound and thought-provoking topics, we would love to hear your thoughts on the soul and its significance. Share your views and questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more fascinating discussions and remember to keep questioning and exploring the mysteries of existence.